Thousands of chocolate bars race across this factory line every single minute. Layers of fluffy nougat, thick caramel, and roasted peanuts move through massive machines the size of entire rooms. Then, suddenly, every bar disappears under a river of liquid chocolate. A waterfall of glossy chocolate pours over them at incredible speed, coating each bar perfectly before they continue down the line. But something about this moment doesn't make sense. Inside every bar is soft nougat, sticky caramel, and crunchy peanuts, ingredients that should collapse, melt, or fall apart the instant hot chocolate hits them. Yet, somehow, every single bar comes out perfectly shaped. But here's the question most people never think about. How do peanuts, caramel, and soft nougat survive a river of hot chocolate without melting or falling apart? Today, we're going inside the factory that produces one of the world's most famous chocolate bars to uncover the answer behind the making of Snickers. Every Snickers bar starts with the humble peanut, but not just any peanut will do. The factory sources premium roasted peanuts from specific farms known for uniform size and taste. Each peanut batch is carefully inspected for quality, removing broken, shriveled, or discolored nuts. Peanuts are washed to remove dust, debris, and any traces of oil residue from transport. Once clean, they are roasted at precise temperatures to bring out natural flavor and crunch. Machines measure oil content, moisture, and texture to ensure each peanut meets factory standards. Peanuts are sorted by size using vibrating sieves. Only uniform peanuts move forward. After roasting, peanuts are cooled rapidly to stop cooking and lock in flavor. Quality control technicians taste test random batches to ensure consistency. Peanuts are then delivered to the assembly line in massive bins, ready to meet nougat and caramel. These peanuts will later define the crunch and bite of every bar. The factory keeps records of peanut origin for each production run. Even minor deviations in peanut quality can affect the final taste. This step alone ensures the signature texture of Snickers is consistent worldwide.
And yet, these peanuts are just the beginning of a chain that will transform them into chocolate perfection.
Nougat is the fluffy white base of every Snickers bar. Ingredients include sugar, egg whites, corn syrup, and a touch of vanilla. They are mixed in giant industrial blenders that create air pockets in the nougat. These air pockets are critical. They determine the lightness and chewiness of the bar. The mixture is whipped at precise speeds to prevent it from collapsing. Sensors constantly measure viscosity and moisture levels. The nougat is then extruded into continuous sheets for the assembly line. Workers monitor the sheets to ensure thickness consistency. Even a millimeter difference could throw off the final layer balance. The nougat sheets are cooled slightly so they maintain shape for caramel and peanuts. This base layer supports the entire structure of the bar. Precision here prevents collapsing when the chocolate coating is added later. Any error at this stage would ruin thousands of bars downstream. Automated cutters slice the nougat into perfectly sized blocks.
But the real magic happens when this nougat meets sticky golden caramel in the next step.
Caramel is the second critical layer of Snickers, made from sugar, butter, corn syrup, and cream. Ingredients are boiled in massive kettles at exact temperatures to reach the perfect viscosity. A thin layer of caramel is spread over the nougat blocks with precision no human hand could match. The caramel must be smooth, sticky, but not runny. Too hot and it melts the nougat. Too cold and it won't spread evenly. Conveyor belts move the nougat blocks under giant spreaders that pour caramel uniformly. The caramel flows over the edges, coating every block perfectly. High-speed cameras inspect each block for consistency and thickness. Workers occasionally remove a bar that fails to meet standards. The caramel sets slightly as it moves down the line, sticking to nougat but ready for peanuts. This is where the Snickers bar starts to get its signature chewiness and stick. The caramel is crucial for flavor balance, sweetness, and structural integrity. Temperature, speed, and thickness are monitored continuously to prevent disaster. Only after passing inspection does the block continue to the next step.
And now, the peanuts join the party in a way that makes every bite unforgettable.
Roasted peanuts are now added on top of the caramel layer. They are dropped by automated hoppers, evenly distributing them over the sticky caramel. Machines ensure that every block receives the exact same number of peanuts. The peanuts sink slightly into the caramel for a perfect bite ratio. Conveyor belts vibrate gently to settle the peanuts into place. Quality cameras check for missing or misaligned peanuts. Blocks with uneven peanut placement are diverted for recycling. This is the step that gives Snickers its iconic crunch. Every peanut is strategically placed to prevent clumping or gaps. Peanut weight and distribution are tracked for calorie and flavor consistency. After this, the peanut caramel nougat layer moves to assembly. Even the smallest peanut error here can ruin texture or taste. The factory uses a mix of manual checks and sensors for perfection. Workers monitor color and gloss to make sure the caramel doesn't crystallize.
Once the peanuts are in, they'll get ready for a chocolate bath that seems impossible to survive.
Chocolate coating is prepared in giant melting tanks. The chocolate is heated to exactly the right temperature for smooth flow. Bars pass under a chocolate waterfall, completely covered on all sides. This liquid chocolate must not be too hot, otherwise it melts nougat and caramel. Sensors monitor thickness, ensuring a perfect, even coat. Conveyor belts rotate bars for full coverage. Air knives remove excess chocolate to prevent pooling. Visual inspection ensures no bare spots or bubbles appear. This coating locks in peanuts and caramel while adding the signature Snickers chocolate flavor. Chocolate is cooled rapidly to set without cracking. Workers taste test chocolate for smoothness and sweetness. Quality checks prevent uneven coating that could ruin appearance. This step is where the bar finally begins to look like the candy we know. Machines keep chocolate flowing continuously to maintain production speed.
And here's the mystery you've been waiting for: how these layers survive without melting or collapsing.
Coated bars pass through a massive cooling tunnel. Temperature and airflow are precisely controlled to solidify chocolate. Nougat and caramel layers remain intact while chocolate sets perfectly. Cooling is gradual to prevent cracking or structural collapse. Bars are monitored for temperature consistency along the conveyor. Rapid cooling could cause chocolate to shrink and pull away from peanuts. Too slow, and bars would stick together or deform. Bars exit the tunnel perfectly solid, yet soft enough to bite. Sensors detect any bar that is too hot or too soft. Bars failing quality checks are removed for remelting. Cooling also helps maintain shelf life and bar stability. This step is silent but critical for the final integrity of the bar. Even tiny environmental changes could affect millions of bars. Every bar must maintain the exact texture and flavor.
After cooling, the bar is ready for the final shaping and packaging steps.
The laser-perfect bars. Bars pass under laser-guided cutters that slice them to exact lengths. Precision is critical. Too short or long affects weight, packaging, and cost. Lasers ensure clean cuts without damaging chocolate edges. Each bar is weighed to confirm consistency. Bars are arranged for uniform spacing for packaging. Cameras verify size, shape, and alignment. Bars that fail the cut test are recycled. Workers manually inspect random samples for accuracy. This is the step that guarantees the familiar rectangular shape of Snickers. Cut bars move to conveyors leading to packaging machines. Uniformity here is essential for branding and customer satisfaction.
Even a millimeter difference can affect wrapping machines downstream. Laser cutting ensures mass production without human error. The factory tracks every cut bar with batch codes for quality control.
Perfectly cut bars now move toward the machines that will send millions to stores.
Random bars are sent to the lab for taste and structural testing. Labs monitor sugar levels, chocolate texture, and caramel consistency. Technicians also check peanut placement and crunch factor. Bars are tested for moisture content to ensure freshness. Visual checks confirm chocolate gloss and surface quality. A small sample is melted and analyzed to ensure correct ingredients. Temperature and storage conditions are simulated for shelf life. Bars that fail taste or texture tests are remade. Inspection ensures every Snickers matches global standards. Quality control is relentless. Nothing leaves the factory unchecked. Bars are returned to the line after minor adjustments if possible. Automated scanners cross-check bar weight and shape. This step guarantees that every bar is identical to expectations. Technicians also log production data for factory efficiency.
Only after passing this lab do bars go to the million-bar packaging machines.
Bars are automatically fed to high-speed wrapping machines. Plastic or foil wraps are cut to precise lengths. Each bar is sealed to maintain freshness and hygiene. Machines can process thousands of bars per minute. Sensors detect jams or misaligned wrappers instantly. Wrapped bars are labeled with batch numbers and expiration dates. Machines sort bars for shipping crates automatically. Random bars are sampled for wrapping quality and seal strength. Workers oversee conveyor flow and troubleshoot minor issues. Bars move toward pallets and shipping lines. Packaging ensures bars are not damaged in transport. The process is synchronized with global shipping schedules. Bars are prepared for distribution to millions of stores worldwide. The factory runs continuously to meet demand.
And now, after thousands of processes, the mystery of the chocolate waterfall is finally about to be revealed.
Remember the river of hot chocolate from the hook? The secret is temperature control. Chocolate is perfectly tempered before falling. Nougat and caramel are pre-cooled, so they withstand brief contact with hot chocolate. Conveyor speed is calibrated so chocolate only touches bars for seconds. Air knives remove excess heat while prodding, preventing melting. Chocolate viscosity is engineered to flow smoothly without sinking into layers. Pivouts are slightly pressed into caramel beforehand to hold shape. Cooling tunnels immediately solidify the chocolate. Every layer is built to survive this brief but intense coating. The combination of pre-cooling, precise chocolate temperature, and conveyor speed keeps the bar intact. This explains how peanuts, caramel, and nougat survive without collapsing. The engineering ensures texture, crunch, and chewiness remain perfect. Every bar is visually perfect, structurally stable, and ready for taste testing. This is the real factory magic behind the Snickers bar.
And now, the bar is fully complete, ready to be enjoyed around the world.
And that's how a humble peanut, caramel, nougat, and chocolate transform into the world-famous Snickers bar. Every layer, every machine, every second in this factory is engineered for perfection. The chocolate waterfall mystery? Now you know the secret behind the perfect bite. Next time you take a bite, remember the incredible journey each bar goes through.
If you enjoyed seeing the magic behind your favorite chocolate, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more factory secrets. Don't forget to comment below, what candy factory should we explore next?